The ICAO standards and recommended practices for the investigation of aircraft accidents and incidents are contained in Annex 13 of the Convention. Unless otherwise stated, they will apply universally, following all accidents and incidents wherever they occur. Some definitions need to be appreciated when talking about aircraft accidents and incidents, and we shall look at the main ones now. An accident is an occurrence associated with the operation of aircraft, which takes place between the time any person boards the aircraft with the intention of flight until such time as all such persons have disembarked, in which a person is fatally or seriously injured as a result of being in an aircraft or being in direct contact with any part of an aircraft, including bits that have fallen off, or being exposed to jet blast, or the aircraft sustains damage or structural failure which adversely affects the structural strength, performance or flight characteristics of the aircraft, and would normally require major repair or replacement of the affected component, except for engine failure confined to the entire power unit, or damage limited to propellers, wingtips, antennas, tyres, brakes, fairings, and small punctures to the aircraft skin, or the aircraft is missing or completely inaccessible. An aircraft is defined as any machine that can derive support in the atmosphere from the reactions of the air, other than the reactions of the air against the Earth's surface. A flight recorder is any recording device installed in an aircraft for the purpose of complementing accident or incident investigations. An incident is an occurrence other than an accident associated with the operation of aircraft which does or could affect the safety of the operation. Investigation is the process conducted for the purpose of accident prevention, which includes the gathering and analysis of information, the drawing of conclusions, including the determination of causes, and, when appropriate, the making of safety recommendations. The maximum certified takeoff mass is known as maximum mass. Any person, organisation, or enterprise engaged in or offering to engage in aircraft operation will be known as the operator. Any event involving circumstances indicating that an accident nearly occurred shall be called a serious incident. A serious injury is an injury sustained by a person in an accident which requires more than 48-hour hospitalization within 7 days from the date of injury, results in fracture of any bone, involves lacerations causing severe hemorrhaging or nerve or muscle damage, involves injury to internal organs, involves second or third degree burns affecting more than 5% of the body surface, involves verified exposure to infectious substances or injurious radiation. The state of manufacture is defined as the state having jurisdiction over the organisation responsible for the final assembly of the aircraft. The state of occurrence is the state in the territory of which an accident or incident occurs. The state of the operator is the state in which the operator's principal place of business is located, or, if there is no such place of business, the operator's permanent residence. The state of registry is defined as the state on whose register the aircraft is entered. And the state of design is the state having jurisdiction over the organisation responsible for the type design.